Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this episode we're going to assemble the Chinook. So a Chinook is actually a military helicopter. It's actually bigger than the regular helicopter. Usually it is just for taking passenger to somewhere they want to, and then some soldier militaries to a particular location. Alright, so without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I am down to my final assembly, which is the rotor or the propeller of the Chinook. So far, it is actually nice. So it stands perfectly and looks cool. You can actually see also inside on the thing. Alright, let us just assemble this. The nice thing about this is the propeller or the rotor rotates, so it serves its purpose, so as you can see. But I am not going to do just that. It might get destroyed, so just stationary. And the other one, okay, so just fix this and we are done. So I don't want to be like should be in random. Alright, so this is the Chinook from the United States Army or US Army, and it actually looks nice. Okay, so that ends. Yeah, before that there is actually a lot of extras here, and I thought I can actually use this one, the wheels, and some parts of the wheels here. I only have this one on the wheels. So yeah, thank you again guys for watching. So I hope you like this video and leave a comment and thumbs up, and have a pleasant day.